Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. Just 2 items. Another Rubik's Cube. This one actually is a genuine Rubik's Cube from Rubiks.com. Spins nicely. So I'll just add that to my collection. I've got a few now. Not loads, just a few, about 6 or 7 I think. But I just spotted it, saw it actually had the proper Rubik stamp on it, and I thought it'd be worth having, just have an original. Because you usually pick up cheap clones. £1 that cost me. And then I bought this. I've done a few of these TimberKits Automata before. This one is the Kissing Couple. Cost me 99p, as you can see there. Has it got a serial number on it? No, I thought they had serial numbers on them. Never mind, it looks completely untouched. Still got the glue, bit of wax for helping all the surfaces move. There'll be a link in my video description to the other wooden automata that I've assembled. I might go on and do that right now. I'll move the camera a bit and yeah, get on and do it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.